Come, let's create the complaint management system using Google Forms and Google Sheets. Now I'm going to type in the Google search bar for Google Forms. Press enter. Google Forms is opening and double clicking on it. Google Forms, create beautiful forms. I'm going to this personal, go to Google Forms. So this will take us into the sign in page. I'm going to give my username and password. Username already I've entered. I've entered my password. This is my Gmail password. So this is the Google form. I've got an untitled form. Already they have preset templates for contact information, RSVP and all. So I'm going to select a blank form. Let's start from scratch. So this is an untitled form. I'll give the title as Trial Complaint Management System. Once again it comes here. So description I'm giving it as at Madurai. Okay, here this is the question form. The first question will be location. To reduce the work for the occupant, I'll make a drop down list listing all the quarters at say a station called Madurai. First option it will be say quarter number 120. Next I'm going for 121, enter. 122, enter. 123, enter. 124. Likewise I'm just giving some quarter number. So we have got a quarter number. Next, to go to the next one, here you can see a plus symbol. It is for adding questions. I'm clicking on it. So next question gets added. So once again, for clarity's sake, once again I'm doing it. Say once you hover or once you move your cursor over this, you see this plus button. Click on this, add question. Next question gets added. Next question will be name of the occupant. For this we get a single line answer. So I'm selecting short answer. Answers can be short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down box. Here firstly I have used drop down box. Now I am using short answer text. So for next question I am clicking on add question. Here name of the occupant has been given, contact phone number. Again by default it is taking it as short answer. So next question, I have added another question. This will be description of the complaint. And one more question, what we will add, we will ask them to upload a photo. So that occupant can directly upload their photos. For enabling this photo, we have to click on file upload. Let respondents upload files to drive. In this, click on continue. Here we can restrict the type of files that the occupant can upload. Allow only specific file types. Click on this radio button. It is showing I am permitting images as well as videos. Maximum number of files will be 1, maximum file size will be 10. So I've given option for uploading the photos. Then I'll give a question for uploading his remarks. So almost our questions are over. Say we have asked him to select his location, we have asked him to give his name, contact phone number, description of the complaint and a photograph. So that's all. The form has been made ready. Whatever response the occupant sends will have to be saved. See, this is the questions. We have made the questions. So now I'm clicking on responses. Here you have a green color symbol. Create spreadsheet. I am clicking on this. So create a new spreadsheet. The name will be Trial Complaint Management System. I am clicking on create. So I have created a Google Sheet to register all our complaints. So as we had discussed in this video, we have created a form, we have created a response sheet, that is Google Sheet. This is the purple color one is the Google form, green color one is the Google Sheets. The occupant will feed his queries or fill his complaints in the form. We will get them registered in the sheets. So this link has to be sent to the occupant. For sending this link, we will click on send. Hope you are able to see this. I am clicking on send. Send via email. We can send them directly through email, or another option is we can send the link. This is the link. There is a button for copy. I am clicking on it. Copied. So I am going to send this to a friend of mine. So for this I am selecting my Telegram account. Already it has got copied. I am right clicking, paste. So getting link info. So I've sent the link for Google Forms. So whenever he wants to register his complaint, he can register it here. And then the next one is whatever complaint he lodges, it will get registered in the Google Sheets. If it happens that there are 3 persons in the hierarchy, there are 2 persons above me. I am the works engineer, and there are 2 persons above me. There are 2 higher officials. They too want to see what are the complaints that are getting registered. So to enable them to see this, what I'll do is, see, there is a green color button called share. I am clicking on this here. So it is populating here. Get link. Restricted only people added can open this link. I am going to copy this link. I am clicking on change anyone with link. Now anyone with the link can view this sheet. Here there is an option for viewer, commenter, editor. I am clicking on viewer. Whoever has this link can only view the Google Sheet. They cannot edit my Google Sheet. So I am copying this link. Once again, on a trial for making a trial, I am sending it to the same friend. Okay. So therefore, we have made the Google form as well as the Google Sheet. Let's see how the form looks. I am double clicking on the link for Google form. This is the form we have created, Trial Complaint Management System at Madurai. Location, say I am an occupant of quarter number 120. This is my quarter. My name is Sundar. My contact number will be, say, 9123456789. Description of the complaint: main door not closing properly. If I have a photo, I can upload it. There is no photo, so I am not uploading it right now. Remarks: very urgent. Kindly attend it at the earliest. So I am clicking on submit. So as an occupant, within a minute I have completed, that is, I have registered my complaint. So the occupant has registered his complaint. Now once again I will go to the Telegram account where I had shared the link for viewing. So this is the link. Click on this. Here this is the Google Sheet. Timestamp, the time at which I have sent this complaint. Location of my quarter is 120. Hope you remember. Name of the occupant I had typed as Sundar. Phone number I started with 9 123456789. Description of the complaint was main door not closing properly. If I had uploaded my photos, the link for that will appear here. Remarks: very urgent, kindly attend it at the earliest. So within a fraction of a second, the complaint that the occupant lodges comes on to your screen, and this can be viewed through your smartphone or internet enabled desktop. internet laptop, and from anywhere you can view this. In this, whatever editing I do, that doesn't get saved. What I can do as a viewer is I can download this copy. Click on File, click on Download. We can download this file as Microsoft Excel, Open Document, PDF document, etc. So Google Forms as well as Google Sheet has been created, and we have made a trial run. The link for this Google Form as well as Google Sheet in the description box. Click on that for viewing the form as well as the Google Sheet. When you come to this Google Sheet, there is a plus button here. Hope you can see this. Once we click on this, additional sheets gets opened, and in this we can make our own tabulation. Say we will start with serial number, location, name of occupant, and many more. Working on this is very similar to Excel spreadsheet. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to I'll just insert one more column. This is for date and time. I'm going to link the cells from the form responses. You can see at the bottom form responses. I'm clicking there. I'm selecting the timestamp. So once the data gets collected there, the date and time will get automatically uploaded in this sheet. Similarly for location, I'm selecting the location cell. So I've given as 120, it gets automatically updated. Similarly, name of the occupant. So name of the occupant also has got updated. Likewise, we can make as many sheets as we require, and we can filter the complaints based on our needs. So this is a very much flexible form to work with. Give it a try, create your own sheets, create your own forms, reduce the load on your CUG phones. Work smartly. Have a great day. As usual, save water. Suggestions are always welcome. Suggestions may be sent to a.s.ramchennai@gmail.com. Thank you.